Sadly, 380 people died on New Zealand's roads in 2018, and many more were seriously injured. People make mistakes, but they shouldn't have to die for them. The New Zealand Transport Agency is prioritising road safety improvements so simple mistakes don't cost lives. In August 2018, the Safe Roads Alliance was tasked with identifying and delivering a $20 million National Road Safety Improvement Program, termed BOOST, within 11 months. This involves site visits, scoping, cost estimating, economic and risk assessments, engagement with client and external stakeholders, design, procurement, and construction within 11 months. In this video, we'll highlight some of the challenges we faced and our unique approach to creating solutions. We've used cool spatial technology, mobile mapping, and dashboard technology to support an accelerated scoping process to visualize constraints and track construction on a daily basis across New Zealand. Specifically, we've used GIS to model and adjust the program scope based on physical and funding constraints. Here we see an example of a classic buffering analysis. Rumble strips aren't allowed to be placed within 200 metres of household dwellings due to potential noise impacts at night time if a road user were to veer onto the rumble strips. So using GIS, we could analyse where rumble strips can and can't be placed. We took it a step further and reached out to the roading authorities and got their forward works programs. This allowed us to overlay planned road resurfacing and further refine the scope. There'd be nothing worse than if safety treatments were installed and then 6, 9, 12, 18 months later, the road is torn up and resurfaced as part of scheduled works. So we eliminated this issue by performing this GIS analysis. So the results of this analysis were then costed, reviewed, and incorporated into tender documents, and contractors were delivered a very detailed GIS-based set of works. To aid in tracking overall progress, we developed a simple phone-based app which allows contractors with a couple of taps of their finger to accurately map where they're installing specific works. With another tap of their finger, they upload this data in real time to a central GIS database, and we've developed a web-based viewer that allows both the contractors and the project management team to log in and see what work's being done where and track overall progress. Another important innovation was allowing the contractors to take quality assurance photos. Again, with 3 taps of their finger, they take a photo, upload it, and we can see in almost real time what's being done, where it's being done, and because the photos are time-stamped and geotagged, we can see when the works were installed. This provides us with an approximate and very comprehensive as-built record of where works have been done. So taking this installation information, we've supplemented that with financial dashboards. So project managers through this system can zoom into a specific corridor. They can see what work's been done, what portion of the scope remains, what financial claims have been put in, and what remains in the budget. They can do this on a specific corridor level or zoom up and see the overall project dashboard. This is providing a very powerful way for everyone involved in the project to visualize and define the plan. During installation, they can see what's going on, the results, any issues, good or bad, can be visualized, and this visual understanding is improving the speed and quality of decisions for everyone involved in the project. The system effectively provides a telescope and a microscope to see what's going on and what work remains. It's pretty exciting. It won't be very long, and this will be the next iteration and breakthrough in spatial technologies. So during the design stage, all stakeholders will don their VR headset and come up with a very, very optimized design for the project. We're not very far away from this. Exciting times. So thank you very much for your time. We hope you've enjoyed this insight into this very challenging and critical project, which will benefit everyone. Thank you very much.